so we've got right over here. I think I got a problem with that, yeah, like that. So with my camcorder, so it's because of the tripod, right? Okay, here we go, guys. So this we're gonna have to check out some of my video games right over here. So okay, let's gonna start up with my Nintendo DS, which also I have this one right over here, Asphalt 2 Asphalt 2 Urban GT, right? So this is a nice one also, and I really love playing it. So we got some manual right over here also, right? So okay, and next is we go to some Nintendo Switch right over here. Yeah, we got some Nintendo Switch. So I've got my Dragon Ball The Breakers Special Edition, right? And it's also I've got this, which is also I bought this on GameStop, right? Price for this one is $14.99, but they sell it with $9, which is $10 already. Pre-owned game. So it's also I got this another one pre-owned game for the also from the GameStop. Is Power Rangers Battle for the Grid, and also I got this Batman Arkham Trilogy right over here. I got the Batman Arkham Trilogy, and also we've got some Monster Hunter Rise over here. So okay, I forgot I bought this on Walmart. So I bought this on Walmart for only I forgot how much for this one. So I think less than $20. So I think it's on $18, right? So and also I've got right over here is a Monster Hunter pre-owned for only $12. Okay, $12.99. So it says right here if you are a member you have to pay for 12.24, but I am not a member, so I am not a member, so I pay for that $12.99, right? So I think I'm gonna have to get a membership for the GameStop so that I can discount the games, right? Also, and also I've got this well, I don't know where do I bought this. So yeah, I don't know where. Okay, I bought this on a local game store here in Cheyenne. So we got some Ninja Turtles, Wrath of the Mutants, right? And it's also a good game. Also, I already finished the games. Is already so, but they have some easy, hard, easy, difficult, hard, and also right. And also I've got this Nickelodeon All Star Brawl right over here, which is some kind of a fighting game, just like the Smash Brothers, right? Which is a really nice game also for me to have it. Really nice fun and arcade game, right? So, and it's also for the Pokemon. It's also I've got this Pokemon Scarlet Violet right over here. I still don't have the Scarlet. So, I still don't have the Violet. So I'm gonna get the Violet also, and also I'm gonna get the Violet for this one. So and also I'm gonna get the Detective Pikachu, and also for the latest is the Legends ZA. So I almost gonna be completed all the Pokemon games for the Nintendo Switch, right? So right over here is also I've got some PlayStation games right over here. So my first PlayStation 4 is the Destiny, which is really nice, and I'm really getting hype for this one. It's an addictive game, right? It's also a good one for me to have it. So okay, also the next is also I've got this Mission Impossible from the PlayStation 2 right over here. It is a really good game and I really love it. I really love playing this one. This action game RPG, and it's a great game for you to have it. Alright. So we've got right over here is also I got a Delta Force Black Hawk Down. Okay, as a mission game, and it's also a really nice game also for you. A really nice game for me to have it. So since I'm into kind of this game also, so I also have a PC game for this one, so way back then. So playing mission game is also a really nice for the Black Hawk Down, right? So next is also I've got this Tekken Tag Team Tournament over here. It is also nice one game for me to. I really love Tekken, right? I really love Tekken. It's also one of my favorite is Warang, right? So what good game for me to this guy. Really a really nice game also, right? So next is also I've got right here for the another one right over here is the Ghost right? Ghost Recon, right? It's squad-based battlefield combat, so nice game also, just like a Call of Duty or Black Hawk Down, right? So this is a good one also, right? And it's also onto the next is because also the Ghost Recon Part 2, so the sequel, we got the two right over here is also yeah, uh, good game. So I still uh, watch the gameplay for this one. A good game. So I already I already playing this one. So after this one, I'm gonna have to play this one also, the Ghost Recon 2, right? So, and it's also right over here. You got some Madden 2006 NFL game, NFL. So I still play this one. So after, I'm gonna be playing all these games, right? So I'm gonna have to play this game also right over here, right? So, and it's also, I got this Need for Speed Underground. Yeah, one of my favorite Need for Speed guide game. So Need for Speed Underground, I think this is the part one. This is the first. I think this is the first Need for Speed Underground. So I have a Need for Speed Underground 2 for the PC version, right? Okay, and I think I have it in here. I think I bring it. Okay, I forgot that. Okay. And also I've got this Call of Duty Finest Hour, right? So yeah, I already played this one. It's also a really good game, right? So Call of Duty Finest Hour, good game, and you have, yeah, gonna have five good, perfect game for me to have it, right? And it's also a Gran Turismo 3, which is also a really good game. Yeah, and it's also a perfect one. So all of the CDs are in here. So yeah, and I don't have a memory card right over here, so gonna have to buy some memory card for that one. It's also for the Xbox right over here. This is also the Tiger Woods PGA Tour 2004, and which I still don't have time to play because I don't have an Xbox, right? So yes, I still don't have an Xbox, so I'm gonna have to buy some Xbox. I'm gonna have to buy some Xbox. So I think this is the Xbox One. I think, right? I think this is the Xbox One. So yeah, and it's also a good. I watched the gameplay, really good, and it's also, yeah, I'm gonna have to play this one if I'm gonna get the Xbox One, right? So yeah. So okay, I get some another games right over here. So since all of my games right over, since my other video games that I left is in the Philippines, right? So my games right over here is also Nintendo Switch games is right over here. So we've got right here is the Super Dragon Ball Heroes. We've got the Dragon Ball Kakarot, Dragon Ball The Breakers, which also are already here. Dragon Ball Xenoverse 2, yeah, the game card case is, I left it. You got the Street Fighter, the 30th anniversary, Super Mario Kart 8, Super Mario Brothers, Smash Brothers, Final Fantasy. I don't have the game card for this one. Okay, we've got the Snow. What is this called? I forgot this one. So we got the Snow. Uh, Yeah, I forgot this one. So it's no racing. Okay, we've got the Nickelodeon All Star Brawl, which I already have in here. We got the NBA 2K21, and it's also the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Wrath of the Mutants. So okay, gonna get it over to the for my Pokemon games also right over here. So which is also exclusive for this one right over here. So gonna have to check that out, right? So exclusive for all the Pokemon games right over here, right over there. So I've got the Let's Go Pikachu, Let's Go Eevee, Brilliant Diamond, right? And also the Shining Pearl. We've got the Pokemon Sword, Pokemon Shield, and it's also the Pokken Tournament, and it's also two others is the Legends Arceus and also the Scarlet Violet that I have, right? So, alright, so next is also gonna have some over right here for my Nintendo DS games and 3DS, okay? So right over here is also for my Nintendo DS games. So we've got right here some, yeah, okay. Match 3 Madness, Touch Master 3, Mario Kart DS, and also right here is another one right over here. We've got some then 42 All-Time Classic, Pokemon Dash, and another Mario Kart DS right over there. So okay, and on to the next is also another set of Pokemon games right over here. Another set of Pokemon games. So we've got right here is all the Pokemon from the Game Boy Advance SP. We got the Ruby version right over here. Also we've got the Leaf Green version. Okay, and it's also we got some Emerald version right over here, and it's also, yeah, oops, and also we've got the Sapphire version, which is the Kyogre. Yes, and it's also we got the Fire Red version of Charizard. Okay, and some other DS games we've got right over here is the Pokemon Diamond, right? For the DS version, okay? Pokemon Diamond. We've got the Soul Silver right over here, okay? And then we've got the Heart Gold. We've got Heart Gold right over there. So, and it's also we've got another one. We've got okay. Uh, we've got the Platinum version, okay? And it's also we've got the Pearl version, okay? Pearl. And also I got this one, Harry Potter game, okay? Harry Potter. So, and also for the extra games that I have is also I've got the Spider-Man for the Game Boy Advance SP. We've got some Naruto over here, and we've got the 162 in 1 Advance SP emulator. So much game right here that you can play with up. Okay, so yep, I think yeah, I think that's it, right? So I think that's it for my videos for today. So I kind of hope you like it, and also I hope you like it, and also hope you like my videos, friends. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy. And please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you will see another vlog right over here. So like and subscribe for the YouTube algorithm. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy. See you again on the next one.